Everyone, it's Hannah here. So it's our another Pick My Brain series. So today's question is about VAT investigation. So if you receive a letter from HMRC saying one of the officers is gonna come to your premise and to have a visit, then the first thing to do, don't panic. Okay, so there are various reasons why HMRCs wanna pick you up to a visit, but then sometimes it can be very random, but sometimes they might discover some like some inconsistent pattern. For instance, if you submit VAT return every quarter and one quarter you have a very high VAT liability, the other quarter you have a very high VAT reclaim, then they might wondering why this can change so much in 6 months time. So they might want to come to your premise and look at the record and see what's going on with your business. So there's nothing to panic about. Mainly they want to understand your premise and make sure you do everything correctly. So today I'm just going to share three principles you need to remember. It's very simple and it's always something you bear in mind then that can help you to not just get through the investigation but really nail the investigation and help you to reach a best outcome. Okay, so first of all, first principle is telling. So tell HMRC if any issues with your business, and even if before they come, you discovered you might have done something wrong or made some mistakes in your VAT return, then tell them. Of course, the way you tell them, you make sure it's relevant and keep it simple. But then the main thing is just be transparent and be honest. Just say, we do have this, but then we are willing to amend it. And the second thing is to help them. So when they come to visit, they're expecting us to cooperate as much as possible. And of course, HMRC as a government body, they also have a certain budget. When they employ someone to come to your premise, say for a day, for those number of hours, it costs them as well. So your cooperation can really help them to speed up the process and help them to save the cost. So they might, even if in the end they discover there's a mistake, they want to levy a penalty. So they will take this into consideration, then they can reduce your penalty or even exempt your penalty. Okay, and the third thing is giving. So give them access to information. So the main thing to remember is when HMRC visitor, like officer, when they come to visit, they have no right to dig through your paperwork. They have no right to like open your computer and search for things. They just sit there and ask what information they need, and you have to give them. So just give them whatever you have, give them access to information. If you permit them to like dig through your bank statement or certain documents, you can do so as well. So really give them whatever they need and help really get through go through the investigation very smoothly. Okay, so I hope you find this useful. I know HMRC investigation is not happening very frequently, and not every business will have this. But it's good to be aware of it. Even if you get the inquiry by phone or by just by letter, then again, these three principles will also be useful. Okay, so I hope you find it helpful. As always, if you do have any specific questions, please be free to message me. I am on Facebook, and we have a private Facebook group. It's called Tax-Deductible Lifestyle Tribe, and be free to join. So you are able to connect with me and also our panel of experts, like financial experts or business experts, who can help you to earn more money and grow your money. Okay, so it's Saturday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I shall see you very soon. Bye now.